Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The sounds of beating drums and oars splashing on the water, the rich smell of sticky rice wrapped in bamboo leaves. The Dragon Boat Festival is here once again. Hakka people all over Taiwan will return to their hometowns for this special occasion, including Lungtan in Taoyuan County. This year, the Lungtan Dragon Boat Festival will feature a vibrant Hakka drama along with Hakka music concerts. With its unusual lake-based dragon boat races, Lungtan presents a uniquely Hakka take on this much-loved festival.
Hey, what's up? It's time for a talk about Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.Hello，
各位听众朋友，大家好，我是阿宾哥 Leo。
我喜欢讲这句，各位听众朋友。that is listeners out there. Hello, I'm Joseph Lin. All right, we have Leo in the studio right now because we're going to tell you more about the Hakka culture. And this month, it's all about 耶节。
有80分了，
有80分了。Thank you. Okay. This month is the month of celebrating Dragon Boat Festival. And aside from eating my favorite rice dumplings, there's also an event going on, and that is the Dragon Boat Race.
对，就是爬龙船比赛。
爬龙船 Is that how you say it?
是划龙船。
爬龙船 Okay, that's how you say racing a dragon boat in Hakka. 那有没有什么比较特别的活动呢？
在龙潭地区啊，头眼烟
头眼烟
对，那个他们的龙船啊会比较小，因为他要在那个胎笔筒里面比赛，就在大池塘里头比赛，所以呢龙船呢也比较迷你一点。
对，好像只有12个人
啊，对，12个人组成的一队了。
Okay, so in this township known as Longtan in Taoyuan County, there's a dragon boat race. It's sort of a mini version of the actual dragon boat race because the pond or the lake is kind of smaller in size, and there's about 12 people in each race boat. 一个船大概就12名而已嘛。
对，而且桃园龙潭地区还有一个叫做同族乡土归乡文化龟的活动
这是一个文化季了，对不对？
对。
Okay, so there's another cultural event that's happening in this same township, and it's called
同舟共度归乡文化季。
Okay, 同舟共度归乡文化季。
对，它是12大节庆之一。
I see. All right. So if you're around that area, you can go check out this cultural event too. All right. It has to do with the Hakka culture, and also, again, a very interesting sized dragon boat race that happens in 桃园县龙潭乡。
头眼烟龙潭乡。
头眼烟龙潭乡 and it's 龙舟比赛，龙舟划龙舟怎么说？
爬龙船比赛。
爬龙船比赛 and there you go. That does for today's talk about Hakka.
什么大家？
俺是谁张来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.